Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Dropbox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with Dropbox, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or account management section. Look for the investment or financial options provided by Dropbox. Read through the investment offerings available on the platform. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions associated with each investment option. Evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. Choose the investment option that aligns with your strategy. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the investment details carefully before proceeding. Confirm your investment to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your investment. Keep track of your investment through the Dropbox dashboard. Monitor your returns and performance regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Feel free to reach out to Dropbox support if you have any questions or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.